It's no secret that Netflix 6 Underground have been my number one go-to Atmos demo for the last perhaps 2-3 years now. The first 20 minutes of that movie, it's just whoa! But there's another movie now that instead of only the first 20 minutes, an entire series from the first second to the last that I consider as an amazing, amazing Atmos demo. Servant from Apple TV Plus is thus far the absolute best Dolby Atmos demo available on any streaming service. It's not a bombastic type of Atmos demo. What makes it special is that if your system have been calibrated properly, set up properly, installed properly, you will find that all the subtleties in this entire series from minute 1 to the last to be reference material. The atmospheric feel, the sound of rain, and all the ambient sonic cues truly immerse you in a very wild manner. The dialogue panning, for example, from the back to the right, to the center, to the left, and go back to the back again. The steering logic is just absolutely phenomenal, provided that you set up your surround system properly, obviously. I wish all movies can be like this. Ironically, however, it's virtually impossible to find any theatrical release that has a constant high-quality Atmos experience from the first seconds to the end of the 2-hour movie. It is sad, really, when a streaming Dolby Atmos experience can be better than most theatrical release. So what do you think about Servant? Share your thoughts in the comments down below. And don't forget to click share, like, and subscribe to my channel so the next time I upload a new video, you'll be notified. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.